Let's understand a few jargons used in probability. And we take the most common example of the roll of a dice. These are the 6 possible outcomes or possibilities. You can either roll a 1 or a 2 or a 3 and so on up to 6. Remember, you're rolling just one dice, so you will get any one of these 6 options. All these outcomes together form something called the sample space. And each outcome is called a sample point. 1 is a sample point, 2 is a sample point, 5 is a sample point, and so on. Now assume you're asked the probability of getting a number less than 3 at one throw of a dice. Look at the outcomes and decide which ones will result in a number less than 3. These 2 outcomes are the only possibilities. It can only be these 2 outcomes, 1 or 2. That becomes our event. These are the only 3 things you will use very often in probability. Let's review what we just learned. We saw what a sample space is. It can be defined as all possible outcomes. Then we saw what a sample point means. A sample point is one possible outcome. Any one outcome from all possible outcomes. And then we came to an event. And an event can be defined as one or more of the possible outcomes.